In this activity, you need 3 A4 papers, a scale and a pencil. Take one of the A4 papers and keep it in a landscape position, meaning horizontal like this. Now our first step is to divide this paper into 8 equal parts vertically. Follow the procedure which is shown to make 8 equal parts. Now we have to mark out 1/3 from the top and from the bottom. Mark this 1/3 position on 2 or 3 different vertical folds and then draw horizontal lines. Also mark all the vertical folds with a pencil so that all the folds become visible. Now to make the folding for the lamp, draw diagonals as shown in this video. Pause the video, look at the pattern and recreate it on your paper. Do this on all the 3 sheets. In this section, we are going to fold along the markings we made to make a lamp like this. On the A4 sheet, all the vertical folds should be valley folds, meaning they should be folded in as is shown in this video. It is very important that all these folds are only valley folds and they are made sharp. The diagonal markings are all mountain fold. Observe how the folding is done in this video and fold exactly this way. You should be able to see the markings as you fold and make the folds mountain folds. Once all these diagonals have been folded as mountain folds, open the paper as is shown very lightly. Now you will see that the folding pattern is such that if you push the paper from both the sides, it will collapse and make a C like is shown over here. This has to be repeated for the other 2 sheets as well. Place the 3 sheets one after the other and join them with a sellotape as is shown. Make sure that the pattern matches when you join 2 sheets. Now collapse all the sheets together so that you get a C. Your paper is going to be folded this way to get the lamp. In order to make arrangements for the lamp or the bulb, make a hole in the top section like shown in all the pieces. Now take a string and run it through all the holes. Tie a small knot so that the ring is complete. Now put your bulb socket from inside of the lampshade and remove it from the hole. Adjust the thread if required so that the plug passes smoothly. Close the open end with a sellotape and your lampshade is actually ready.